Hello everyone, this is my beautiful model Erin. We're going to be demonstrating the color of the season called Key Lime. Green is the color that defines our time. This is the color that makes us think of nature and our planet. Green has come such a long way from being the color of envy to being the color of a full oxygenated vitality and fresh goodness. Key Lime is a modern green that connects us to these trending greens with a clean, sporty edge. We have seen this color develop to this pure modern level in all fashion and beauty industries. Let's have a look. So Erin's hair we pre-lightened. Erin previously had a regrowth of about 3 centimeters, and then we worked with an already pre-lightened base with an orange color over it. So the orange we pre-lightened with Silk Lift and Silk Lift Strong and Silk Lift Ammonia Free on the mid-lengths to ends to create a neutralized base, and then we silverized it just to neutralize the base as much as we can for our color process today. So this is our final result. I hope you love it as much as we do. And please tag us in your version of Color of the Season Key Lime. And for more, follow, comment, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.